The girl I've always looked up to. The girl na hinahangaan ko. And the girl na usahay normal, usahay liki. Pero, lovable pa rin siya. Kaya naman si Kuya Eric to the rescue. I just want to say how proud I am of you. Of you. I've seen how strong, loving, and caring you are. Not just to Kuya Eric, but to us, your family. Wait lang. Especially sa mga pinsan mo. In times na may problema ang family natin, you are there to the rescue talaga. And you're always there beside us, tumutulong despite the challenges that you face in your own life. And for that, di na ko kita. And for that, I'm truly thankful and I am grateful that I am your cousin and you are my cousin and I am your half-sister. Yes. all the blessings that came into your life, you truly deserve all of them. And I am so happy na nakakita Tagalog. Nakatagpo. O, tama.
Check!
Nakatagpo ka ng finally, you're the one, Kuya Eric. And today, you shine even more brighter, not just a woman, but now, as a wife. Mrs. Soriano. It's okay. So, Kuya Eric, thank you for taking care of ate. Love her the way she deserves. And never stop choosing her every single day.
Nagilag na si Lula Dulce.
And if ever her heart hurts, know that mine would be hurt too.
Ay.
Ayaw dyan siyang masakitin. Ay, masakitan pa ko.
Huwag mo daw siyang saktan dahil masasaktan din sila.
Yes, thank you, Darcy. I hope you enjoy growing old with her. And as much as we enjoy growing up with her. I know relationships are not perfect, but what makes you special is that you always choose each other.
Take two. Kaya mo yan, apo ni Dulce.
But what makes you special is that you always choose each other. Yung tipong sabi nga ni TJ Monterde sa kanyang kantang palagi, di na ako kantahon ha, kay basig bayabag patagalan.
No, kakantay mo talaga. Kaya mo yan, 1, 2, 3, friends, ilaban mo. Huwag na lang.
Diba? Basahin ko na lang.
Kantayin mo, 1, 2, 3, go. Di man go.
Araw-araw na nakangiti.
Apo ni Dulce na.
Ilang beses na rin tayong humindi.
Basahin mo na po.
Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away pati natin, di na namamalaya.
Hinirap man ang speech nito. Uy, nag-requestan man.
Tayo.
May intermission pala.
Ngunit sa huli,
Isayaw mo dyan, Ricky.
palagi, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. I hope you will last forever and I hope you will center God between your relationship and yun lang, thank you.
Sa...